Welcome to the Team Corrali one-page manual video series. For best results, download the PDF file from the link below before watching.
Hello, in this video I will show you how to take the front diff out of the gearbox. But before we watch this video, please check this one. It contains all of the basic information of how to work on this car. Before we move to step number one, you need to remember about two things. First, you need to take out the front skid plate and take out the shocks. You do not have to take them out completely, even with the top. It's enough to take only it from the arms and lift it up. But to make the video more clear and make you guys see everything what I'm doing here, I just take them off completely. In step number one, we will release the roll bar. If you maintaining this car and the roll bar is already off, of course you can skip the step number one. Now we will remove the front brace. We don't really have to remove it. You just need to create a little gap between the gearbox cover and the brace itself, just enough to take the top cover off. Step number three and final, take out these two screws that holds the cover and release the diff. So here we are, diff is released. Now you can rebuild it or do whatever you want with it simply. But before we mount it back, I want to highlight two things. First of all, there are two little spacers here. They are here because they are made to change the gap between the gears, sliding the differential left and right. What is more, there's a blue grease here from the factory. If you do not touch it, like me right now, I won't do anything to it. But if you clean the diff, most likely you will also clean this grease. So please apply a nice coat of lithium grease here to make sure everything works smoothly. What is more, those spacers are pretty fragile, so please be aware to be very careful placing them back in, because if you bend them, they are no longer good to go and you will simply need to replace them. And replacing them means that you need to open the diff to put it back in. One more thing, remember that differential must sit like this, so the gears on the left side. There's also cut in the chassis, so you will see where the gears go. And as always, if you want to put it all back, simply reverse the steps. And now you know how to take out the front differential out of the gearbox. As you can see, it was pretty simple. I want you to remember about two things: the shims that are very fragile and you need to have them to check the gap between the gears. If the gap is too big, you will most likely hear this clicking noise. If the gears are too tight, they will work under serious stress, and if both situations, they will probably be damaged. What is more, when you disassemble the whole front gearbox case, you can check if there's any cracks, any broken material, anything is not right. Because if the gearbox is damaged, most likely quite soon you will damage also the gears. You may ask, why do I need the video like this and why I would love to take the differential out without replacing the oil? For two reasons basically. One, you need to check the gap between the gears and check if everything here is right. So each and every few runs I would consider checking on them, especially if I hear something is not right with the car. The second thing, however close is this, there will be always some dust and debris that will come inside. What is more, also the grease that is applied there will wear out or simply taken out of the gears. So you want to clean this, you want the gears to be cleaned, to be greased, so you can make sure that everything works smoothly and basically the gears will live a long life. So that will be it. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more of the videos like this. What is more, please follow Team Corelli on the social media, on Facebook and Instagram. If you have any questions, please contact us via support@corelli.com. And if you want to check this car and every other car in our lineup, please check war.corelli.com. So that will be it. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one.
Team Corelli, engineered to be the fastest.